Good afternoon. Welcome back to winter camp. I've been out here for about 7 hours today, working very hard getting ready for winter. I decided to put down the camera today and get to work. Made lots of improvements to my shelter. One of the first things I did is I put 2 brand new tarps on the outside, which unfortunately made it a lot darker in here. On this side, I made the shelter more like a wall style tent, kind of like I did on this side last year. Just opens it up, gives me more room. I drug out 2 nesting totes. I brought out some supplies and they stack inside of each other, so it wasn't too bad to bring out. I just tied a rope to it and drug it out here. So that cleaned up underneath my bed. I had some extra tarps, tools, odds and ends, and it looked really messy. You can see I made a window in the back out of some very heavy poly. I know it's not the prettiest thing, but need some extra light in here. Of course, I had to move all my firewood. I added some extra poles in. All this stuff takes time. I probably spent about 2 hours, 2.5 hours collecting firewood today. Just going around, dragging stuff back to camp, and that's all firewood for my outside fires. You know, it's not the best quality, but it's better than nothing. Made some areas for hanging up my tools. You can see I got lots of hooks. Made some more hooks here. I tidied up and went through everything that was hanging from the ceiling. Unfortunately, mice and squirrels got in there. In the back corner, I used to have a bedroll that I used to use for my bed when I stayed over here. Just a thicker layer is more comfortable. And the squirrels got into it, and they were actually tearing apart the padding and insulating their home with it. I also added another length to my stovepipe. That took quite a while. Installed this baking sheet hanging from the ceiling. I'm hoping that'll help stop sparks from burning holes in my tarp. You can see I'm well stocked with firewood, but it's not going to last long. So nice and warm in here. Got a good meal after a hard day's work. Smoked fish, some bread, shrimp, and mushrooms. These prawns are fried in garlic butter. All these scraps will go to my trail cam. Well, thanks for joining me today. I have to get moving. We're supposed to get a big storm tonight. High winds, so I want to get home. Thanks for watching.
Hey, thanks for watching.
If you like our content,
feel free to subscribe here.
Don't forget to hit that bell.
So you'll get a notification
As soon as a new video is uploaded.
And we hope to
catch you guys on another video.